This video is about preparing for a boss visit. Okay, so basically doing homework before your boss visits. I have prepared my previous video about working with the boss in the market. Okay, this video is preparing for the boss visit, doing homework. Okay, now in this chapter, so you have to be clear about why boss is visiting, when he's coming, airport pickup, hotel reservations, and any other appointments, any other plans to meet. He should prepare well so that very comfort arrival and comfort meetings, appointments happens. Second thing, you should prepare about your target and achievements. Okay, so you should prepare for the month target, up to date target, up to the achievement, and SKU wise value, and the territory target, territory achievement, and comparison with the previous 3 months last year, these 3 months, maybe 6 months, and promotional product performance, what is the growth, all you have to keep ready to show your boss. In this section, I clearly mentioned the points about pricing, and you should know what is the MRP, what are the margins, and what are the discount structures, what is the net price for wholesaler, what is the net price for retailer, etc. You have to keep ready all the information, and when your boss asks to tell or maybe to speak in the market. In this section, I mentioned about promotional activities, particularly what promotional activities are running, what is QPS scheme, any special discounts, any product to product offer, all details you have to keep ready. Okay, and you have to keep ready about competition price, competition margins, competition promotional activities, if any display contest, all the things you should keep ready in detail with budgets to show your boss or to answer your boss or to speak in the market if you are going to work with your boss. In this section, I spoke about data management. You should have maintained a data book, or maybe if you have a ERP, or maybe if you have some program in laptop, it should be updated. All the data should be updated and very easy to find. You should not start searching for data, taking time when your boss asks. It should be very easy to find either in the diary you are maintaining, or ERP you are maintaining, or you are maintaining some Excel sheets, PowerPoints in your laptop. In this section, I mentioned about stock management. What is the stock position? Which stock is more? What is number of days of stock? And whether promotional product is available or not? And what is primaries? What is secondaries? All I have mentioned in these points to prepare well to show your boss or to work in the market with him. And second thing, and you have to prepare a small presentation of all primaries, secondaries, promotional activities, distributor profile, target versus achievement, your territory profile, population, any other data, industrial information, where the income is coming, coverage, number of outlets, what is modern trade, key accounts, with all the information. If you prepare a small presentation, give it to your boss, and your discussion will be less with your boss, and your boss will have an idea about your territory, so that he will have many questions to ask you, and he will understand from this presentation.